Hello, so we're going to do the 5 Elements Qigong. We're starting with Earth Element. Earth Element is all about grounding our energy. So raising the wrists up and then sink the elbows down. And start with the pelvis slightly tucked. As the pelvis tucks, the knees bend. Wrists up, elbows down. And as you go up, you can slightly straighten the legs. This helps to ground our energy into the ground. And you can make the sound hu. Hu is like a hollow sound vibrating through to the stomach, which is the earth, and the spleen. So I'll just demonstrate. Hu. So the next one is the metal element, the same, but then part the clouds. So, and this one you make the sound s. S. And again, s. And you can come back like this if you want. So the whisper is like the emotion, vibration is the physical, but they're both connected, so it doesn't matter. Basically, when we make the sound s, it helps us to breathe out slower and get a fuller exhale without over breathing. So it's a controlled breath. You can also do it with the ocean sound, locking the throat, but we're just doing the s here. So I turn my wrists, touch the thumb and index, and come back together. You can also do it with one leg in front, like a crane soaring. And the next element is water, because metal flows in water. So gather some water like a fountain. And this also works the kidney area, the back, so we're stimulating energy there to recharge. And then bring one hand behind the back and do a circle with the other hand, slightly bending the back. Swap hands. Feel the flowing water in your hands. And the next one is wood. As water nourishes wood, so we're going to hold a tree and then turn to the left or the right. Keep your knees facing forward and feet flat on the ground. Lift up over the head and make some branches, and then we'll do the other side. And make the sound shu, or in Chinese it's su with the X. This is for the liver and gallbladder, is the wood element. So another way to do it is just to scoop up water and make the branches straight away. And another one for the gallbladder is going down, because this is the gallbladder channel, so you just clear that energy and go back, absorb new energy, and settle the energy back to the ground. One more element, the fire element. Fire rises, it's the sun, it's also energy from food, the source of energy. So just going to gather some energy to the heart and push to the side any excess heat or fire. Fire needs to be imbalanced, so absorb some sunlight, turn the hands in like that and go down around the legs. It's like washing your body in fire, and then store it in the kidneys. So fire plus water equals steam, which is like chi. It's free energy, it's going around the body, so it nourishes the body. And the sound is ha or he. One more time. And this time just hold the lotus mudra and feel the positive energy of the fire element. Love, joy, connection, vitality. And then bring it back down and merge all of the elements together in a delicious soup. And that's it, 5 elements. You can do it in that order, or you can do it in a different order for healing. But yeah, I hope you had fun.